Hi Steve, sorry to hear about your problem with the Beko washer dryer. I'm working away at the moment because I'm off to Berlin to the trade show. That's the appliance trade show, so I'm actually living in my camper for the next 6-7 weeks. But when it comes to your Beko washing machine, model number BDIK754421, let's go through the fault quickly. If you've got water coming out of the soap dispenser when the machine is running, is one of three faults. Either you've got the machine not level and water is trickling down the front facial panel, or you've got too much water pressure coming to the water valves and it may be slightly overflowing through the soap door front. The other problem that can occur, sometimes people accidentally put too much powder in the machine or something has fallen down into the soap drawer pipe. This attaches from the bottom of the soap drawer coming down and goes to the drum. So you want to inspect all that first. But you do say it starts to leak 15 minutes into the wash cycle. Now this could actually be because it's in spin mode when it's on a rinse cycle and your machine may not be emptying in the allocated period of time due to a blockage. You want to check the sump hose going from the bottom of the drum to the pump itself, make sure that it's working efficiently, and make sure if you've got it connected to a sink unit that you haven't got any blockages on that sink unit fitting. What I've done for you is I've created a specific page on this problem for you, not only with additional videos for you to watch on how to clear sump hose, inspect the pump and water valves and so on, but I've managed to obtain you the wiring diagram for the machine as well. The link will be in the description below, and I'll put a bit at the end of this video to show you how to use the page correctly to get the most from it. I hope this helps you with your problem, Steve. I'm sorry I can't show you any more because I'm not in the workshop. Have a great day, mate, and enjoy the rest of the video. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagram, error codes, diagnostic procedure, and explaining every component, but there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help with their Beko washing machine, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. We don't just make videos on washing machines. We do cookers, dishwashers, tumble dryers, fridge freezers, and many other types of appliance. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us. And if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul Revere page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.